welcome to the first day, the proper day in KL, Kuala Lumpur. I haven't eaten yet, so I'm a little bit peckish. See, I'm smelling something good here, I'm smelling something good. Feel like something real Malay, like laksa or something, or I don't know. We'll see. Looks like there's a market here. So we're in Chow Kit, I believe. Looks like a wet market here. Let's have a look. Okay, there was a mouse. We are not eating here. Okay, look, that was a bit of a fail, but I'm not eating anywhere where there are rats on display. I'm too young to die. I do forget, you know, this is Asia, and sometimes you will see rats. It's like there's a Sikh temple here, Gurdwara. So there's three distinct ethnicities here in Malaysia. There's the Malay people. This used to be called British Malaya back when the British were in control. And the other groups are the Indians, of course, as well as the Chinese. So I'm not sure why it's taken me so long to get to Malaysia. Like, it's always been on the list of places to travel to. I don't know, it's never been somewhere that's been like, oh, I have to go to Kuala Lumpur. But, you know, now that I'm here, I feel like I've been missing out, and I've been selling myself a bit short by not coming here. Honestly, it is very, very beautiful here. Hello, how are you? What's this?
Banana.
Banana? Can I try one?
One ringgit.
Okay. It's not quite sweet, but it's not quite savory. It's good. Thank you very much. I do have to admit that I can't rattle off facts about the history or the culture of Malaysia, because I'm not entirely well versed on Malaysian history. Hey man, can I get a Vietnam coffee black ice? Yeah. It looks really good, thank you. It's not what I ordered, but whatever. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's like I think Hainanese chicken and nasi ayam. It's pretty good. It's got that Chinese savory flavor, but then it's also got the Malay coconut sort of influence. If that makes sense. So it's way too hot to do a walk around and talk and whatnot. So I've just found a little bar just to chill out for the afternoon. Yeah, Malaysia's pretty cool, man. Enjoying it. Anyway, cheers. This is a Tiger beer. I'm in two minds whether I should walk up these stairs. It does seem like a bit of a trek, and Malaysia is not exactly a cold place, so this might be an interesting walk. Alright, for you guys, I'll walk. Alright, there's monkeys. So because there's monkeys, they're not getting anything of mine. Nothing. Alright, let's do it. I'm sure my pockets are all good because I don't like monkeys. This is really steep. It's definitely like a lot cooler up here as well. Hey, the walk wasn't that bad, the climb. And there's drinks here. Hey bro, let's get one water. कितना? We're a bit confused about the chickens. Continuing our tour of Malaysia, we come to the main symbol of Malaysian capitalism, the world famous Petronas Towers. Now, I think it's like 40 bucks or something to get up there, so I'm probably not going to do that because I've got a pretty good view from my hotel room as it is, and you know, I've actually got a really good view of the Petronas Towers from there. But hey, nice to see it. Nice to see it. Finally. Now, what I'm really looking for is a bit of lunch.
In 800 meters, keep left to Jalan Rakyat.
So I've just arrived in possibly the prettiest little India I've ever been in. Check this out. It actually seemed pretty clean for once. Anyway, I'm here with my friend. I just met her. Can't remember her name.
Svenja.
Svenja. What's my name? See? So we were waiting for the hop on, hop off bus, which never came. So we decided, to just take matters into our own hands and explore on our own. Biryani. This one. Put it on top. So we've just discovered something a little bit interesting. We were going to go look for a blind massage done by blind people. I thought it was just like a one-off thing, but apparently there's like 3 or 4 blind massage parlors around here. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the one that was recommended. Let's see how this goes. Hello, how are you?
Half an hour.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, now or after?
Body or leg?
Leg.
Leg. Okay. Stay later. Come in.
Did not think I was going to be doing this today. This is so random. This is very random. It looks kind of like a trap house. You know what, go into these things with an open mind. I think this might end up being a good experience. So let's see how it goes. And it's what, 10 bucks, 30 ringgit, which is, and you're helping someone who has a disability stay employed. So why not? So how are you?
Hello. Half an hour, huh?
Yes.
Oh, you have to push your chair out.
Okay.
Sorry, huh?
Don't be sorry, it's okay. So we've just finished our massages. That might be the best 30 ringgit I've ever spent. What's your verdict? What do you think?
It was really good.
Did you fall asleep? I fell asleep.
He said about your injury.
He said I have a bad back or something, or like, do you have a bad back? And I said, yeah. Prost. I'm at K88 food court. Back with Dom. Had a fucking beautiful dinner last night, and we're gonna wrap up my. Alright, just saw a rat. So we're gonna wrap up the trip here. This is my last night.
Food paradise.
Oh yeah, there's choices. I'm getting hungry. It smells really good here. There is so much choice in this food court. What's this one? Curry satong. I can't believe how much choice there is. Portuguese grilled fish.
This is the stingray.
Oh right. Okay. See, I wish we had stuff like this in Australia, where it's like look, table service in the food court. And I wish we had these sort of choices as well in Australia, where it's like hawkers, you know, actual hawkers. You know, we just got too much fried food and fast food in Australia. It just gets boring. We get the same thing over and over. Yeah. Anyway, look, I've got a good feeling about this meal. Dom's just got the order, and he said just hold the table for now. So yeah, that's what I'll do.
This is a wild boar. We walk past earlier.
Okay.
So they cook it in a curry style. I don't know how you've tried it. I don't know how you've tried wild boar before.
I've pretty sure in Australia I've tried it.
Alright.
Delicious.
Good, right?
I'm surprised you can buy boar in Malaysia.
Yeah. Try
What is this?
otak.
Otak.
It's called otak.
Is it fish?
Otak in Malay means brains. It means brains. So you say it twice, it's like brain. Yeah.
Okay.
But
Is it brains?
No. It's actually a fish paste. It's a fish paste like, so try it.
Ooh, it smells like fish.
Yeah, it tastes really good.
You just pick it up.
Just pick it up and eat it. Pull it up, yeah. There we go.
Ha 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 ha.
Just cook. Good, right?
Good. Oh yeah, that is really good.
Yeah, good,
That
right?
is really good.
Yeah. So I'd be more than that for you.
That was $7 for all of them.
Yeah.
And you can't have dinner in Malaysia without a staple.
Yeah. Tiger.
This is a damn feast, man. Roast.
Roast.